So in my previous video, I went from this to this, 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 to this, and then this. And now say goodbye to platinum hair and off we go on a pink adventure. Okay, I can't wait. But I think I need more color. There is no coming back. Let's just go for it. Ooh, that's a look. The color was a bit uneven and definitely brighter than I expected. Let's dry my hair and see if it's any lighter. So that's the finished look and I actually love it. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous hair color. So I am very pleased. This is after the first wash and it's absolutely perfect. After third wash, fifth wash, this is after the sixth wash. Time for fresh color, using the same combo of unicorn dyes, only this time more diluted with conditioner. Perfect shade of pink. Then I went on a long holiday, had my roots touched up and immediately colored my hair pink again. And it would fade, I would color it like a roller coaster. When I came back home from holiday, I decided to try Brite Pastel Pink, so here is how that went. Yeah, I mean, wouldn't you freak out? I wanted pastel pink, not fuchsia. God help me. So satisfying to watch this color, but I didn't know what to expect and I was a little bit scared. Ta-da! But honestly, it turned out really, really well. Obviously, you can see it's been a couple of days since I colored my hair and it's not fresh anymore. And I haven't styled it either. I did brush it and this is the final result. It's a nice color. I wonder how long it's gonna last. First wash. This is after fifth wash. My younger son's styling. So this must be like 10th wash at least, and the pink is just not washing out, so I had something up my sleeve. Something that would change my life forever. So dramatic. Can you guess what it is? Subscribe and hit the bell for another hair adventure. This time it may be the last. I messed up. Bye!